Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. Those are all the cool places you can find me, and you're probably watching the video at one of those places. This is the Fall 2020 Walmart Beauty Box. It is a little small, but it's also a little awesome. So why don't we pack it up and get into the products right now. Hey gang, Walmart fall box. I love that they include the products. Now here's the deal, you don't get all these products. This is just some of the ones that you might get. And then you sit here envious that, you're like, oh, I wish I would have got that. But I still get some really cool stuff. So usually there's more coupons and stuff in this one. There wasn't any of that. So I was surprised by that as well. Anyway, we have Gold Bond Skin Therapy Cream, 24-hour moisture, radiant skin, even in cool weather, which it is bone chilling cold here in Chicago right now. So definitely gonna need some of this. Then we have the original Batiste dry shampoo. The most awesome of dry shampoos. Clean and classic original. I love this stuff. Then this is Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Moisture Cream. It is for your face and neck. It's supposed to give you a lot of hydration. Let's see also if it has any smell to it. If I can get it open, or it probably has a seal. Of course, it has a seal on it. Why do I ever think that it's not going to have a seal on it? Okay, it's kind of a pain in the ass to unscrew. So there's that. One strike against it already. Then we have Earth to Skin Tea Time White Tea Cleanser. It is firming, anti-aging, and pore refining. Made with simple, real ingredients. Excited to try that. Then finally, we have NYX Cosmetics Butter Gloss. I've got Sorbet. Let's see what a sorbet looks like on my lips. Well, I love their butter glosses. They're so smooth. They don't dry out your lips. And I find that they usually kind of smell or taste like cake frosting. So, sorbet. So that is a Walmart box. Check that out. That's where to check me out. And if you're watching on YouTube, probably in one of these corners. Usually not in these. Down here. Like and subscribe. And until next time, stay beautiful.